Don't just love AI, love business. One of the biggest problems I've seen with AI builders is just the focus on the AI. They know everything about AI, they know everything about end-to-end love automation and all of that, and they know nothing about business. Now the problem with that is, it doesn't matter how good you are skilled in AI, how well-rounded you are, AI alone won't cut it. AI alone isn't enough. Because when you go to the market, when you finish your product, when you finish building AI and all of that, you need business skills. You need marketing, you need sales, you need offering, you need all of that to be able to make something out of your AI product. My name is Yunus. I run a growth consulting company called HydraScaling.com, where we work with AI businesses, AI agencies, and AI SaaS businesses to helping them scale. And in this video, we're going to see one of the biggest mistakes AI builders make. They focus all their time on learning AI and know nothing about business. Now here's the thing, AI is good, and learning about AI, being skilled in AI and all of that is good, because AI is by far the biggest value creation mankind has ever experienced. But if you want to succeed, as I said, AI alone isn't enough, you need business. Now, what is business? It's simple. It's how to understand the economy of a working business, of a working company, from building it to attracting buyers and making money of it, and keep doing that over and over and over again. Because if you take the AI and you don't know how to talk to people, you don't know how to talk to customers, you don't know how to regain customers, and you don't even know how to attract people to you, or even put your AI together as a valuable offer, yeah, you're just wasting your time on something that is not going to produce a result. So there are two solutions to this. First, let's say you are well-rounded with AI, you know everything about AI, but you know nothing about business. So either you go learn about business, understand our business, there are books here. You can find multiple videos on YouTube to learn about business and understand the economy of a business, the economy of a working company, like a video like this. Or you can partner with somebody like me, or have a co-founder who is skilled in marketing, in content, in sales, in talking to people. If you don't have the skills of going up or partner with somebody with those. Now, here's 4 or 5 marketing skills you need to combine with your AI skills if you want to make it. The first skill is the economy of the offer. It's understanding how can you take everything you know about AI, the tools, the product, the automation and all of that, put it into a valuable offer, an irresistible offer. Because when you go to the market with your product, first you have to understand your product is in your offer. The offer is what are all the things, all the guarantees, all the value propositions that are built around your product. When a customer, when a client or the person sees your offer, yeah, I want to buy this one, I want to buy this product, instead of the competitor's product. You have to understand the economy of the offer, what we can offer irresistible, but yeah, you have to have that skill. If you don't have it, again, find somebody who does. And the second marketing skill you need is content. Look, we're living in an attention economy. If you are not creating content, if you are not reading your plan, you already cook. AI businesses are scaling to 1.7-8 figures by just leveraging TikTok. It is the fastest and easiest way to put your product in front of the right audience. Knowing the pain point of your ICP, your ideal client profile, and building your content around that, what we call the ICP, that content engine. Every product, every business has a specific purpose, and that purpose is taking its ICP from the current situation to the desired outcome. So that's the one purpose of your business, of your AI product. You have to know the current state or the struggle they're facing, and you have to know the desired state where they want to be. Now, your content has to be based about this too. You have content pillar number 1 about the current situation, content pillar number 2 about the desired outcome, and you can even add the content pillar number 3, which is how you bridge the gap for them, how you take them from where they are to where they want to be. So by just using your ICP gap, you have 3 content pillars, and you can add a 4th content pillar, which is everything related to you as a business owner, as a founder. Remember, people don't buy logos, they buy stories. They buy the person behind the one thing. Who are you? Why should they follow you, or why should they buy from you instead of the competitors? So put your story out there, make people connect with you, make them not necessarily like you, but like your story, like the way you do things, and potentially, yeah, see enough value in what you do, and subscribe to your story and buy your product, because it's all about stories. The third marketing skill you need to know to make your AI product work is lead acquisition. Likes and followers are great, but the problem is they don't pay the bill, okay? The third pillar is how can you transform those likes and followers into qualified lead, into interested people, because now you have the attention, but the attention alone isn't enough. So you have to transform that attention, you have to translate that attention to interest. To do so, it depends on what type of product you have. If it's a SaaS or an AI agency or whatever, you can prospect people, you can outreach to people and trying to understand their need, and offering a product as a solution that is going to bring the gap from where they are to where they want to be. You can also do email marketing. There are multiple ways to take the attention they got and turn it into interested people that want your stuff. The fourth marketer skill you lead, it's said. Now you have the offer, you have the attempt and the authority, you're putting yourself in front of the right decision maker, you have the need, but also lead added equal to money. So you have to take those leads and turn that into buying customer. It depends on the nature of your product, again, SaaS or an AI business. But yeah, sometimes you have to hop on cars and try to convince those leads, not necessarily convince them, but show them the value of your product and why it is the best solution possible to their problem. On that sales call is understanding their need and positioning your offer, your product as the best solution to their problem, as the bridge that is going to take them, the one and only bridge that is going to take them from where they are to where they want to be. And you have to position yourself as the one and only, not one of, because if they have choice, if they have options, guess what? They always going to the cheapest one. So you have to prevent that by positioning yourself as the one and only. Then the last marketing skill you need to combine to your AI skills is fulfillment, or let's say operation, back-end operation. So you have people paying you. It might be a monthly subscription, it might be like a retainer, it might be a 2-3 month contract, but you need those clients to keep paying you over and over again. And especially from the beginning, when you started, you need those clients to have great success, to have great experience, and give you feedback and give you good testimonials, because those testimonials, you're going to leverage them back to your content. Now, your first customer, your first client, you literally have to over-deliver for them. Not just your first client, all your client, of course, you have to over-deliver for them, but your first 5-10 customers, they matter. You really have to over-deliver for them. So, as soon as a person signs up with you, what are all the processes he's going to get the result? And how long does it take for him to experience his first success? And what you want to do is, like, as soon as the person join you or start working with you, you want that person to experience the first result as soon as possible, within the next like a couple of minutes or even hours. Now you might ask me, how do I give him some win? How does he experience wins when he just started? Well, that's you have to figure it out. Now, when I say experience success, it doesn't mean he has to do something outstanding. No, it might be just how fast you respond to things, how well you communicate with him, you showing him you're here to help him, sending him the contract, sending him the onboarding processes right away. All of those are your wins. And clients, they do pay attention to the small details. So if you are an AI builder, you need these 5 marketing skills to make your AI stuff works, to make your AI idea, your AI business works. So this is what I had for you guys. If you have any question about like starting or even going, scaling an AI business, an AI SaaS, an AI agency, feel free to ask your question in the comment. I will be more than happy to answer you, and if possible, make a video about it. And also, if these are the type of videos you like, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so more people get to see these type of videos and take value from it. See you in the next video.